Hello everyone, have you ever tasted sugarcane? Let us know what you think. Today's video starts with preparing the land for cultivation of sugarcane. The next step of the process is planting the sugarcane by hand or by a machine. The sugarcane is fully grown and ready to be harvested. The fourth step involves a harvester used for cutting. Did you know that the trailers in America can be loaded up to 25 tons each? As you can see, a highway trailer is used to transport the sugarcane to the sugar mill. At the sugar mill, the sugarcane is cleaned and washed and then fed into the shredder or crusher to extract the juice. The next step is filtering and clarifying the juice to remove impurities. The remaining liquid is then boiled to separate the sugar crystals. The sugar is finally weighed with technology that ensures accurate weighing of the sugar and packed with precision. How do you feel about the process of harvesting sugarcane in this video? If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let us know what you want to see in the next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.